what are HSL value colors? Well, HSL colors are colors that we define with hue, saturation, and the lightness. Syntax for HSL value colors looks like this. Okay, so first value that we set for HSL represents hue. So this value is one of available values from hue wheel of colors. So as you can see on hue wheel of colors, red color represents 0, green color represents 120, and blue color represents 240. So if you want to choose any other color, you will use value that is specific for that color on this hue wheel of colors. Second value that we set for HSL represents saturation. Okay, so how to understand saturation? So let's take this example. Saturation exactly represents how we want to include our source color that we have chosen from wheel of colors to our final color. If we set 0%, this means that we actually don't want to include our source color in our final color, so our final color will be gray. And in another case, we set 100%, this means that we want to include exact color that we have chosen from our wheel of colors. Of course, if you want to set any other specific shade of color, you can use any other value from 0 to 100%. And third value that we set for HSL represents lightness. Okay, so how to understand lightness for our HSL value color? So let's take this example. If we choose for source color, for example, a red color, and if we set that color inside of some dark room or room without any source of light, we cannot see that color. Our color will be basically black. So that is the case if we set 0% for our lightness. On the other hand, if we expose our red color to some very bright source of light, our red color will be white. So this is the case if we set lightness for our source color to 100%. So to get original color that we choose from our wheel of colors, we need to set lightness for our color on exactly 50%. So with the 50%, we will get color that is originally chosen from one wheel of colors. But of course, if you want to set that your red color is some variant of darker red or brighter red, you can choose any value in between 0% and 100%.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.